Hey there! Today is day 17 of the 30-day art challenge. The challenge is to paint on a 6-inch piece, and so I have a 6-inch canvas that I just basically rubbed on some leftover paint that was on my table before, and so I put this on last night to put a base coat on, and now I'm going to just do a soft floral. And I may or may not write something on the actual painting, but I'm going to do this and seal it and then put it in a little box and abandon it in a public place for someone to find and keep. So I'm really excited about this challenge, and today I'm going to use my Arteza paints. I've got the box of 60 colors, so I've got all kinds of colors to choose from. So I'm just now starting to pick out my colors that I'm going to use, but I wanted you to be able to see the process of me doing the painting. So I'm going to put my music on and I will speed through the process most likely. I'm not going to trace on anything with pencil. I'm just going to freestyle it. So here we go. I hope you enjoy watching. Finished painting. This is where I'm going to leave it, somewhere for someone to find. This was done with Arteza paints, and as you can see, there is some texture to it, like oil paints, and there's some sheen to it, so I'm not even going to seal it. And it dried very quickly. And I left a scripture on the back, let all that you do be done in love, 1 Corinthians 16:14. And then I'm going to leave a little note. Thank you for finding me today. This gift was painted and left for you. It is here to pass on God's precious love to you. Pass on the love to others. Sandra Lett. So this is what I'm leaving in a public place somewhere for someone to find. And I may videotape them finding it anonymously. So watching, I hope you enjoyed it. Please give a thumbs up if you enjoyed it, and take a look at the links below the video under show more, or if you're on your mobile device, there's a down arrow that shows the links to Amazon, Patreon, PayPal, the colors I use and things like that. I'm not going to list the colors on here because I used all different random colors and mixed my own colors, but most videos I do list all the colors I use. So thanks for watching. Have a good day. My husband's not real interested.
He's more interested in putting the stuff in the car. They took it.